How to open NetBank Saver in Commonwealth Bank. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how to open NetBank Saver in Commonwealth Bank. In order to open NetBank Saver in Commonwealth Bank, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, go ahead and open up a browser, or you can also use an application. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. While you're on this page, go ahead and open up your link, and on this page you should be able to see this sort of interface. So right on this page, what you have to do is you need to go ahead and scroll down and go to the banking section. Over here you could go ahead and select banking and savings account. When you actually do that, you need to scroll down and select net banking. When you actually locate net banking, you have to go ahead and click on open account. So then now you could go ahead and start with the registration process, and that's basically how you can open net banking savers in Commonwealth Bank. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.